yan.
It tells of a man named Uzzah.
Isang taong nagngangalang Usa.
The Bible said his name spread far abroad.
Ang kanyang pangalan ay kumakalat sa buong mundo.
And he was marvelously helped.
At siya ay isang kangahangang tumutulong.
Till he was strong.
Hanggang sa siya'y lumakas.
He was strong in his own mind.
At siya napakalakas sa kanyang sariling pag-iisip.
Strong in his own heart.
Malakas sa kanyang sariling puso.
And judgment came on him.
Dumating sa kanyang paghatol.
We must not let the blessing of God enlarge our head.
Huwag magpalaki ng ating ulo ang pagpapala ng
Until
Diyos.
we forget that He's God.
Makalimutan natin na siya pala ang Diyos.
And we